Welcome to Stoic Lessons from Historical Events. Episode 9 of 100. The Construction of the Great Wall of China, Defense and Symbol. Explore history through the lens of Stoic philosophy. In our 9th episode, we delve into the construction of the Great Wall of China, uncovering timeless wisdom and resilience that inspire us today. If you find value in our content, please subscribe, like, and share with friends and family. Your support helps us bring these powerful stories and teachings to a wider audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards wisdom and growth. The construction of the Great Wall of China, defense and symbol. What led to the construction of the Great Wall? In the 7th century BCE, China's early states were frequently threatened by invasions from nomadic tribes to the north. To protect their territories, various Chinese kingdoms built fortifications. However, it was during the Qin Dynasty, 221-206 BCE, under Emperor Qin Shi Huang, that the idea of a continuous wall took shape. Qin Shi Huang aimed to unify these fragmented walls to protect his newly unified empire from the Xiongnu and other northern tribes. The construction of the Great Wall was a monumental task, reflecting the emperor's desire to consolidate his power and defend his realm. Who were the key figures in the construction of the wall? The construction of the Great Wall involved numerous key figures, primarily Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who ordered the project. Meng Tian, a trusted general of Qin Shi Huang, was tasked with overseeing the construction and defense of the wall. The labor force consisted of hundreds of thousands of workers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners. These individuals toiled under harsh conditions, enduring extreme weather and rugged terrain to build the wall. The collective effort of these workers, often at great personal cost, resulted in one of the most impressive architectural feats in human history. How did the construction of the Great Wall unfold? The construction of the Great Wall was a massive undertaking that spanned several dynasties. During the Qin Dynasty, the initial construction connected and extended existing walls using rammed earth, stones, and wood. The labor-intensive process required mobilizing a vast workforce, which faced grueling conditions and high mortality rates. The Han Dynasty, 206 BCE, 220 CE, later extended the wall further, using more advanced building techniques and materials. Significant enhancements were made during the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644, when bricks and stone were extensively used and watchtowers and fortresses were added, creating the iconic structure recognized today. What was the impact of the Great Wall? The Great Wall served multiple purposes beyond its primary function as a defense mechanism. Militarily, it provided a formidable barrier against invasions, allowing for better control of China's borders and enabling the safe passage of goods along the Silk Road. The wall also symbolized the might and determination of the Chinese emperors, projecting power and control. Economically, it facilitated trade and communication within the empire, contributing to the stability and prosperity of Chinese society. Culturally, the wall became a symbol of Chinese ingenuity and resilience, representing the unity and strength of the Chinese people. Why is the Great Wall significant in history? The Great Wall of China is significant for its historical, cultural, and architectural value. It stands as a testament to human endurance and engineering prowess, stretching over 13,000 miles and traversing diverse landscapes. The wall's construction reflects the centralization of power and the lengths to which the Chinese emperors would go to protect and unify their territories. It also represents the interactions between agricultural civilizations and nomadic cultures, highlighting the complexities of ancient geopolitics. The Great Wall's enduring presence in the collective memory of China underscores its importance as a symbol of national pride and cultural identity. How does the legacy of the Great Wall influence us today? As the sun sets over the rolling hills and rugged mountains of northern China, casting long shadows over the ancient stones of the Great Wall, its legacy continues to inspire. The Great Wall remains a powerful symbol of China's historical resilience and cultural heritage. It attracts millions of visitors each year, serving as a reminder of the country's rich history and the extraordinary achievements of its people. The Wall's story highlights the themes of perseverance, unity, and the quest for security, which resonate with contemporary discussions on national identity and cultural preservation. The Great Wall stands as a monument to the enduring spirit of human endeavor and the profound impact of history on shaping the present and future. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe and share our content. Have a wonderful day, everyone. See you at the next episode.